connecting a bridge that will connect around 1/4 area of the country with the capital. The Padma Multipurpose Bridge, a dream project of Bangladesh, now gives hope to the people of the country. The bridge will expedite their economic activities and movement with the capital and other parts of the country and vice versa. Abdul Monem Limited is there. With its trained and experienced engineers, workers and management to construct approach roads on both ends of the Padma Bridge, a service area and several bridge end facilities. Government under the dynamic and courageous leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina broke the stalemate and did everything needed to initiate one of the biggest projects of the country. The Padma Multipurpose Bridge comprises road, rail and energy connectivity between Dhaka and 16 districts of South and Southwestern region of the country. There will be a 6.15 km main bridge, rail line and gas pipeline, 12 km approach road, bridge and facilities and service area on either side of the main bridge. Total project cost has been estimated to be $2.97 billion. The government of People's Republic of Bangladesh is the financier to the entire project through Bangladesh Bridge Authority. The entire project is expected to be completed by 2018. Establishment of road, rail and energy connectivity between Dhaka and the South and Southwestern districts will be the immediate outcome of the project. A huge impact is expected in communications and good transportation between the two parts of the country. Millions of work hours will be saved in the economy, boosting the GDP by at least 1%. Now, Padma Bridge is a reality and not a dream anymore. And we, Abdul Monem Limited, is an integral part of the project. AML formed a joint venture with Malaysian HCM and participated in 2 separate international tenders for the construction of Janjira Approach Road and bridge and facilities. And Mawa Approach Road and bridge and facilities. The AML alone participated in the 3rd international tender to build Service Area 2 for the Padma Multipurpose Bridge. AML and its JV with HCM won all 3 tenders worth Taka 1,499 crore and signed 3 separate contracts with Padma Multipurpose Bridge Authority on June 5th, December 10th and 17th in the year 2013. SWO West of Bangladesh Army, employed by Bangladesh Bridge Authority, is the construction supervision consultant for these 3 contracts. A total of 5,000 workers, 250 engineers and other officials have been engaged to materialize the task. The AML HCM JV is now constructing 2 approach roads at Janjira Mawa points, including the bridge and facilities, which include 5 bridges, 20 culverts and 8 underpasses. The AML alone is building the service area for the accommodation of the workers, engineers and the officials who will be involved in the construction of the main bridge. The service area will later be converted into a resort. AML HCM has imported most modern equipment and machinery for those projects. In the fleet of equipment and machinery, a special type of sand piling machine that has never been used in Bangladesh have been incorporated.
The machine we can see in front of us, that is used to improve the soft soil, rather to make more strengthen the soil, which is actually needed for this approach road, because this approach road is parallel to the river Padma, so underneath soil is a bit soft. So the panel of experts suggested that to improve this soft soil, you need to use such machine, which is brought from Germany, one of the latest technology of this machine, which is brought by Abdul Monem Limited.
The following videos are showing the method of embankment construction and bituminous pavement work. We are committed to complete the work before the completion of the main bridge so that its operation can start immediately. Quality output, environment friendly, safety and due time delivery are four pillars of AML's reputation and gives it an international standard. Abdul Monem Limited is a local firm with global standards. It believes in better people, better service and better results.